Welcome to Tunisia, where diverse industries face challenges shaped by the country's unique geography and strategic location. EDDY Pump offers innovative solutions tailored to Tunisia's significant sectors, navigating geographical complexities with cutting-edge technology. Opt for EDDY Pump rentals for practical and cost-effective solutions, especially in agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and related industries. Explore our range of products designed to meet Tunisia's industrial needs. Efficient pumps and dredging equipment are crucial for material transfer, infrastructure maintenance, and environmental conservation in Tunisia's dynamic landscape. They optimize production processes, support infrastructure development, and contribute to sustainable practices. Our solutions ensure optimal material transfer, flood prevention, and environmental stewardship. With strategic locations across Tunisia, EDDY Pump is ready to meet industrial needs. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.